Hi everyone, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you use stylish fonts keyboard for Facebook. You can see this is my Facebook application. So I am going to go in Facebook. Whenever you come here on Facebook, you can find here such kind of interface. So I'm going to post here on Facebook and going to type, and you can see that is my keyboard. I'm using stylish text keyboard, such as I'm gonna type here,
how are you?
And you can see this is stylish text. So if I want to change my text style, so just going to sweep at the right side, then just click on or select on anyone which you like most for using. So I'm going to select now this one. It is, I will write here,
how are you?
So here is a number of text. You can use whatever you like most, such as I just type here hello or anything else. So any kind of sentence you can type here. Right now I'm going to show you how to use it and how you can use it. First of all, you have to go Play Store. You can see this is my Play Store. So just go to Play Store and search here an application. The application name is Stylish Fonts. Okay, then at the top of the side you can find here this one is Stylish Fonts. I already installed it, so just going to click on here. So if you hasn't installed yet, just install this application, and after installing this application just click on open. Right now it's opening. It's quite nice interface. Now I'll show you how you can use it. So guys, before going to the process, I will ask you something. If you're new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos. Then you can find here is stylish keyboard, so just click on it. Then first one you can see here add keyboard, so just click on add keyboard, and you can find here is stylish font keyboard. This one, whenever you come here in new first time, you can find here such kind of interface. Then just click on for turning on or activate it. So just click on activate. Right now your stylish fonts activate. It is step 1. So go to step 2. Just click on set keyboard. Then you will find here two options. Here is one is Gboard or Google Board. Another is that stylish font English United States. So just select this one, then it's automatically okay. Right now just click on here and just come here on Facebook, and you can see, all right, you can use it. If you want to change it, just click on that is Google button and use whatever you like. Suppose I'm using this one, is simple one, you can change that way.